Hey guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to use OBS. So basically you want to launch it up, and then honestly I kind of forgot, but I think basically you're gonna right-click like scene on the left if you have it, hopefully, and then you hit the add button. Okay, we're gonna name this one Archie is awesome. We're gonna hit the OK. Boom. No sources. Okay, you right-click that bitch, add. Boom, and then you just add whatever you want, baby, and then display capture, oh, you couldn't see any of that because I was capturing the. It's okay. Here, look. See, right click here, and then you add, display. If you want to capture your whole monitor, or if you want to capture a specific game, there's a game capture. If you want to capture a fucking Windows tab, bro, you got window capture, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. And then if you want to cap the mic, you're gonna have to hit the audio input capture. And that's it, guys. Thanks for coming, guys. See you next time.